how to do a simple multi-cell function in Excel. So one of the easiest ones we can do is to generate a random number, and then based on that random number determine if it is even, and then from that return a true or false value. So we'll go ahead and start off with our is even or is odd function. So as always, start off with the equals, and we'll do is even for this. We'll do that right there. And then the cell that we're going to be analyzing is A1. Close that off with the parentheses. Then we'll do that again with the is odd function, and we'll select cell A1 again, and then we'll hit enter. Okay, now we'll go ahead and create our rand function. Returns a random number greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1, evenly distributed. Or we can do rand between and then get an actual number that isn't just between 0 and 1. So we'll go ahead and select on that one. And then the top number, which will be 0, comma the bottom number, which will be 0, the top number, which we'll set as 10. Close that off. And since it came back as 5, it automatically switched is even to false and is odd to true. Okay. If we go ahead and let's make it 9, see if it will change it for us. It's now giving us a true value, and thus is even is true and is odd is false. And that is how you combine two functions together in Excel.